Hello students, good morning. Now let's do activity B. You can see the table in which first column order and rank, and in second column name, and third column time in minutes and seconds. So we have to fill up these tables using the result of slow langdi competition. First of all friends, અમે અહીંયા અમારી સ્લો લંગડી કોમ્પિટિશનના આધારે આ ટેબલને ફિલઅપ કરીએ છીએ એન્ડ આફ્ટર ધેટ યુ વિલ ફિલ ધીસ ટેબલ. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. નાઉ ટેલ મી હુ વોઝ ધ ફર્સ્ટ. યસ, વોટ્સ યોર નેમ બેટા?
My name is Suman.
Suman. So in first column first, then in second column name Suman. Tell me, how much time did you take?
6 minutes 50 seconds.
6 minutes and 15 seconds. Good. Please sit down. So in third column 6 minutes and 15 seconds. અને મિત્રો આવી જ રીતે તમારે પણ ટેબલ ફિલઅપ કરવાનું છે. Friends, who was second in our competition? Yes. What's your name, beta?
Meet.
Meet. Meet was second. So in first column second, in second column Meet. And how much time did you take?
6 minutes 13 seconds.
Very good. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Now who was third? Yes. What's your name?
Dilip.
Dilip. Dilip was third. How much time did you take?
4 minutes 52 seconds.
4 minutes and 52 seconds. Very good. Please sit down. So, first column, third. In second column, Dilip. In third column, 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Who was fourth, friends?
I was fourth.
What's your name?
I am Jigar.
How much time did you take?
4 minutes 50 seconds.
Jigar took 4 minutes and 50 seconds. So, in first column, fourth. In second, Jigar. And in third column, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Now friends, who was fifth? Yes, what's your name, beta?
Darshan.
Darshan was fifth. How much time did you take?
4 minutes 2 seconds.
In English you can
2 seconds.
once again
4
please.
minutes 2 seconds.
Very good. 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, now tell me who was sixth? What's your name?
Anisha.
Anisha. How much time did you take?
3 minutes 59 seconds.
Anisha took 3 minutes and 59 seconds. So in first column 6, then Anisha and 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Now tell me who was seventh. Yes, what's your name?
Vishal.
Vishal. How much time did you take?
2 minutes 50 seconds.
Very good. Vishal took 2 minutes 50 seconds. So in first column 7th, second Vishal, and in time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Now tell me who was 8th? What's your name?
Nisa.
Nisha. Nisha, tell me how much time did you take?
2 minutes 45 seconds.
So in first column 8, then Nisha, and 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Now who was 9th? Yes? What's your name?
Mahesh.
Mahesh. Mahesh, tell me how much time did you take?
1 minute 59 seconds.
So in third column 1 minute and 59 seconds. And rest of the students put their legs down. So they were out of the race. So friends, in your competition, what were the answers? તો તમે આવી જ રીતે જેવી રીતે અમે અહીંયા આ ટેબલ ફિલઅપ કર્યું છે, you can fill these tables by asking questions and getting answers. Now let's do activity 3C. And in this activity we have 5 questions. Let's do this activity. The first question is, who won the race? Tell me, students, who won the race? Yes,
Suman won the race.
good. Here, friends, in our competition, Suman won the race. Now you tell me, in your competition, who won the race? Yes? Good. Write down the name. Now second question. Who stood last? Friends, who stood last in our competition? Yes? Mahesh stood last in our competition. Now friends, in your competition, who stood last? Yes? Good. Please write down the name. Now, third question. Who was third in the race? Friends, who was third in the race? Yes?
Dilip won the race.
Dilip was third in the race. In our competition, Dilip was third. Now tell me, in your competition, who was third? Yes, yes. Good. Now write your answer. Next question. Who was fifth? Students, who was fifth in our competition? Suman?
Darshan was the fifth.
Darshan was fifth. Who was fifth in your competition? Yes? You can give me answer loudly. Right. Write down your answer. Now next question. Who was fourth in the race? Who was fourth in our competition? Yes?
Jigar won the race.
Jigar was
Fourth
in our race. So in our race, Jigar was fourth. Friends, tell me, who was fourth in your competition? Yes. Fine. Write down your answer.
Now open the textbook page number 51. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો ટેક્સ્ટબુકના પેજ નંબર 51 ઉપર બી એક્ટિવિટીમાં 4 કોલમ આપેલા છે. તમારે સેકન્ડ કોલમમાં આપણા દરેક રાષ્ટ્રપતિનું નામ લખવાનું છે. ધ નેમ ઓફ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ. ફર્સ્ટ નેમ આપેલું છે ડૉક્ટર રાજેન્દ્ર પ્રસાદ. તમારા પાઠ્યપુસ્તકમાં પ્રથમ રાષ્ટ્રપતિનો સમય નોંધેલો છે. તે કયા ક્રમમાં રાષ્ટ્રપતિ તરીકે આવ્યા તેની વિગત આપણે લાસ્ટ કોલમમાં લખવાની છે. બીજા રાષ્ટ્રપતિથી અહીંથી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર બતાવવામાં આવશે તે પ્રમાણે તમારે તમારી ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં નોંધ કરવાની છે. લુક એટ ધ ફોટોગ્રાફ. આઈ નો તમે બધા જ આ વ્યક્તિને ઓળખો છો. હુ ઇઝ હી? યસ, he is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirunelveli. He became the second President of India on 13th May 1962 till 13th May 1967. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમારા ટેક્સ્ટબુકનું પેજ નંબર 51 ઓપન કરીને ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ જે છે તેમાં તમારે ક્રમ લખવાનો છે. સેકન્ડ કોલમમાં તમારે નામ લખવાનું છે. ડૉક્ટર સર્વપલ્લી રાધાકૃષ્ણન. તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય હતો 13th May 1962 to 13th May 1967. He was our second president. So in last column, write down his order second. Look at the photograph. Who is he? Yes, he was the third president of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain. He born in 1897 at Hyderabad. He became the third president of India on 13th May 1967 till his death on 3rd May 1969. જે રીતે આપણે સેકન્ડ પ્રેસિડેન્ટની વિગત નોંધી હતી તે જ રીતે હવે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં આપણે થર્ડ પ્રેસિડેન્ટની વિગત નોંધીશું. ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડન્ટ આ કોલમમાં આપણે લખીશું ડૉક્ટર ઝાકીર હુસૈન અને તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય હતો 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. તેમનો ઓર્ડર હતો થર્ડ. He was our third president. Look at the photograph. Who is he? Do you know? Children. He was our fourth president of India, Sri Varagiri Venkatgiri. V.V. Giri was born on 10th August 1894 at Berhampur, Orissa. He became the fourth president from 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. He died in 1980. તો હવે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં પણ આ વિગત નોંધી લો. હવે ઓર્ડર હશે ફોર્થ. નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ શ્રી વારાગીરી વેંકટગીરી. એમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય નોંધો 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. અને લાસ્ટ કોલમમાં તેમનો ઓર્ડર. He was the fourth president. So note down the word fourth. Now look at the photograph. Who is he? He was our fifth president of India. He was Sri Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. He was born on 13th May 1905. He became fifth president on 24th August 1974 to 11th February 1977. પ્રેસિડેન્ટનું નામ શ્રી ફખરુદ્દીન અલી અહેમદ. તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય 24th August 1974 to 11 February 1977. અને તે રાષ્ટ્રપતિ તરીકેનો તેમનો ક્રમ આવશે ફિફ્થ. So in the last column you have to write down the word fifth. Look at the photograph. Who is he? He is our sixth president, Sri Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was born on 19th May 1913 in Iluru. He became the sixth president on 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. He passed away in 1996. તો છઠ્ઠા નંબર ઉપર 6th નંબર ઉપર પ્રેસિડેન્ટનું નામ આવશે શ્રી નીલમ સંજીવ રેડ્ડી. તેમનો કાર્યકાળનો સમય એટલે થર્ડ કોલમમાં લખવાનું છે 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. તે આપણા 6 નંબરના પ્રેસિડેન્ટ હતા. તો લાસ્ટ કોલમમાં લખો 6. Look at the photograph. Who is he? Yes, you know him. He is our 7th President of India, શ્રી જ્ઞાની જયસિંહ. કાર્યકાળનો સમય છે 25th July 1982 to 25th July 1987. કોલમ 1માં 7 નંબર અને સેકન્ડ કોલમ છે ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડન્ટ. ત્યાં તમારે લખવાનું છે શ્રી જ્ઞાની જયસિંહ. કાર્યકાળનો સમય છે 25th July 1982 to 25th July 1987. અને લાસ્ટ કોલમ એમાં ઓર્ડર લખવાનું છે. તો he was our 7th president. So note down the word 7th. Look at the photograph. Who is he? Yes, it is the birthplace of our 8th president, Sri R. Venkatraman. He was born on 4th December 1910. He became the 8th President of India on 25th July 1987 till 25th July 1992. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં સાથે સાથે નોંધ કરી લઈએ. તો ચાલો ફર્સ્ટ કોલમમાં 8 નંબર, સેકન્ડ કોલમ નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ. ત્યાં લખીશું શ્રી આર વેંકટરામન. તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. અને he was our 8th president. So in last column, note down the word 8. Now look at the photograph. Who is he? Yes, I know. All you know him. તમે બધા જ તેને ઓળખો છો. He is Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was our 9th President of India. He was born at Bhopal on 19th August 1918. He became the President of India on 25th July 1992 till 25th July 1997. Name of the President, ત્યાં લખો ડૉક્ટર શંકર દયાલ શર્મા. તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય લખવાનો છે 25th July 1992 to 25th July 1997. અને ઓર્ડરમાં લખવાનું છે he was our 9th president. So write down the word 9th. Now look at the photograph. Who is he? He was our 10th president, Sri V.R. Narayanan. He was born on 27th October 1920 at Usavur. He became the 10th president on 25th July 1997 till 25th July 2002. પાઠ્યપુસ્તકમાં નોટ કરી લ્યો. નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડન્ટ એ કોલમમાં લખવાનું છે શ્રી V.R. નારાયણન. તેમનો કાર્યકાળ હતો 25th July 1997 to 25th July 2002. લાસ્ટ કોલમમાં ઓર્ડર નોટ ડાઉન કરવાનું છે, તો આ ઓર્ડર લખો. He was our 10th president. Now look at the photograph. I know all you very familiar with this personality. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was our 11th president of India. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram. He became the president on 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ કોલમમાં આપણે લખીશું ડૉક્ટર એપીજે અબ્દુલ કલામ. તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય નોંધી લ્યો. 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. અને લાસ્ટ કોલમમાં તેમનો ઓર્ડર. He was our 11th president. So, write down the word 11th in the last column. Now look at the photograph. I know. તમે બધા જ આ વ્યક્તિને ઓળખો છો. She is શ્રીમતી પ્રતિભા પાટીલ. She was our 12th president of India. She was born on 19th December 1934 in Nadgaon. She became the president on 25th July 2007 till 25th July 2012. She was the first lady president of India. જે સેકન્ડ કોલમ છે તેમાં લખવાનું છે નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ. એમાં આપણે લખીશું શ્રીમતી પ્રતિભા પાટીલ. તેમના કાર્યકાળનો સમય નોંધી લ્યો. 25th July 2007 to 25th July 2012. અને લાસ્ટ કોલમમાં she was our 12th president. So note down the word 12th. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ટ્રેનની આ સફર સાથે ભારત દેશના કેટલાક પ્રદેશોમાંથી આવેલા આપણા રાષ્ટ્રપતિ વિશેની આપણે માહિતી મેળવી. આ માહિતીને આધારે હવે આપણે પાઠ્યપુસ્તકમાં આપેલી એક્ટિવિટી 4C કરવાની છે. તમે બધા તેના માટે તૈયાર છો ને? તો હવે તમારા પાઠ્યપુસ્તકનું પેજ નંબર 51 ઓપન કરો. એક્ટિવિટી 4B આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ કરી છે. એની નીચે 4Cમાં કેટલાક સેન્ટેન્સીસ આપેલા છે. We have to correct it. Let's see the sentences one by one. The sentence 1 is Dr. Zakir Hussain was the 5th president of India. So what is the right answer? Dr. Zakir Hussain was the 3rd president of India. Correct the sentence. The second sentence is Shri R. Venkataraman was the 11th president of India. So what is the right answer? Shri R. Venkataraman was the 8th president of India. The third sentence is Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the 3rd president of India. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, શું જવાબ આવશે? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the 1st president of India. હવે પછી 4th sentence જોઈએ. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 10th president of India. So what is the right answer? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. Now let's see the last sentence. Shri K.R. Narayanan was the 12th President of India. So what is the right answer? Shri K.R. Narayanan was the 10th President of India. Unit 5 અંતર્ગત એક્ટિવિટી 4A, B and C આપણે પૂર્ણ કરી છે. તો આવજો ત્યારે. બાય બાય. ફરી